Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Cherry's Master Tech. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to hack Clash Royale in Android and for iOS too. So guys, as I told you that I will hack HCR2, that is Hilcran Basing 2. It's tough to hack it and it's an online game. But I tried my level, but it was not hacking. So I searched a trending game and top rated game, and I find the results that are Clash Royale. So I tried to hack this game. It was hacked successfully. So I am so happy. As I told, the video will be uploaded at 6 p.m. Sunday, that is today. So I am ready to upload the video. So without getting late, let's start our video. So before starting the video, this video is just for educational purposes and not for any illegal activities. Dear developers of this game, please don't post any copyright issue on my channel. If you have any issue with the channel, just compose a mail to my Gmail that is in the description. So without getting late, let's start our video. So guys, now just click on the link that I gave in the description. So guys, thanks for your support for giving me 70 plus subscribers. So password is in the middle of the video and you have to click on this link. What is this? So I'm copying it. Copy. So now I'm going to, you can choose Google or Chrome. Don't use any other web browsers. You can use Firefox also, but it will take late. So I am using Google or Chrome. I mostly prefer Chrome. Okay, just link that you copy. I had pasted the link, so it will take you to a website. So guys, please avoid the background voices. So as you can see, we have reached 77 subscribers. Thanks. So here you can see subscribe and bell icon. Just click on them. It will take you to YouTube. So here you can see subscribe, then subscribe it, and you can see bell icon here. Activate it. Okay. So then go to your Google Chrome. So it will show you tap to reveal link. So click on this tap to reveal link. So guys, here you can see Clash Royale by CMT.7z, and here you can see download. Just click on download. Don't click on open in Mega app. If you have Mega app, so you can click on open in Mega app, but I prefer download in Chrome. So click on download, install Mega and another file. Okay. So as you can see guys, I am not going to install it because I already installed it. So I'm gonna, where is this install? Okay, let it install. So okay guys, I'm going, so after it installs, I will pause the video. After it installs, I'll again resume the video. So guys, now it was installed. As you can see here, you can see ZAchiever. So just open the app. So it's the main app required to install this game. So you can see here, right, download. So then click on this download. So you have to go down. So this is our mini multia mode APK file, but we did not need that now. So you have to search for this. Yes, you will get a file like this, Clash Royale by CMT.7z. So just a single tap on it, not a long press. So as you can see, don't click on view, extract here, extract to this or this or this. You have to just click on extract. So after clicking on extract, you should go to this games folder, and again you can see, right, you can paste it in any folder, but I am going to paste it in games app. So After clicking this green button, it will show you password required. I gonna blur here because I will show the password in the middle of the video. So okay, once wait. Okay guys, so after it shows like this extracting. So guys, after extracting you will get like this Clash Royale by cmt.apk. So then click on it and you have to click on install, just a single tap, not a long press. After clicking on it will show you, do you want to install this application, just click on install. So guys, here you can see you should not click on open, you should click on done. So guys, you almost everybody gets it out what this Nulls Royale. Nulls Royale is a private server that is in Clash Royale. It's a private server. Nulls Royale is a private server that is which is a server that you can get more gems and more coins. So as I told you, don't click on open, just click on done. Okay, just click on done. So clear all the files that you have opened, and again here you can see right, Nulls Royale. So okay, just click on it. So now you can see that private server created. So guys, there are some background voices, avoid them. And guys, please help me to reach 100 subscribers. So guys, it will updating and again it will open. So guys, you have to click on OK. So guys, my touch is not working properly, so it was showing me this. So first I am going to click on terms of service. So guys, I clicked on the terms of service. Guys, my touch is not working properly, so it was showing like this. So after reading the terms of service, so the game is so guys, now you can click on OK. As I told you that my touch is not working properly, I am clicking it continuously, but it was not working. Yes, now it works. So my name is decrease forever. So if you have a doubt on how the battle runs, so I am clicking on battle. You will only see that suppose downloading content. In the normal app also it will show like this only, it seems that it will show downloading content. So after downloading this content, so I am not going to pause anywhere for show you proof. So guys, here you can see searching for opponent. Show you proof, I will play the gems are unlimited and our coins are not gone. So I'll show you buying the. So guys, now you can see. So guys, bye. So this is the video. So don't get disappointed that I didn't hack HCR2. I tried my level best guys, but it was not hacking. So bye guys. I will play this game for 2 hours and then I will delete this game. So bye guys. You can touch me and you can install this app. So bye.